to talk to you a little bit about plants that clean the air. I get asked this a lot. So all plants will filter the air to some degree, and the way that they do it is they pull in the chemicals out of the air and actually break it down to its natural form again. So it's not just a filter, but it actually breaks it right back down to what it should be. So peace lilies are one of the better plants that are very good for it, as are spider plants. Sansevieria are well known for it. But NASA did a study a few years ago, and the very best plant is bromeliads, which can actually pull acetone right out of the air. Imagine if every nail salon had this plant in there.